Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study electrical engineering. Begin by building a robust foundation in core principles. Dedicate significant time to understanding Ohm's law, which states voltage equals current times resistance, and Kirchhoff's laws, crucial for circuit analysis. Simultaneously, strengthen your mathematical skills in calculus, differential equations, and linear algebra, as these are indispensable tools. Get comfortable with fundamental components like resistors, capacitors, and inductors, understanding their behavior in various circuits. This initial phase is critical for future success. Once you grasp the basics, transition to hands-on learning. Actively participate in laboratory sessions, constructing circuits and observing real-world phenomena. This practical experience solidifies theoretical concepts. Dedicate at least several hours each week to solving a wide variety of problems from your textbooks and supplementary materials. Furthermore, leverage powerful simulation software, such as SPICE, to design and test circuits virtually before physical implementation, saving time and resources. This iterative process enhances your problem-solving abilities significantly. Electrical engineering offers diverse specializations, from power systems managing gigawatts of energy to microelectronics designing chips with billions of transistors. Explore these areas to find your passion. Continuous learning is paramount. Regularly read industry journals and attend webinars to stay current with rapidly evolving technologies. For instance, advancements in renewable energy or artificial intelligence are constant. Pursuing advanced degrees or professional certifications can further refine your skills and open new career pathways, ensuring long-term professional growth. Building a professional network is invaluable. Connect with your professors, who often have extensive industry ties, and engage with professionals at career fairs or online platforms. Actively seek internships or co-op placements. These provide practical experience and often lead to full-time employment. Many companies offer programs lasting 3 to 6 months. Remember, strong communication and teamwork skills are just as crucial as technical prowess. Collaborating effectively on projects, whether with 2 or 20 team members, is vital for success in any engineering career.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.